Kanjo ya athikabu a kanitha wa Gatoreki yugite thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni yogometie wendi wa muingi na kiria mohigiriire makiria ni kuhinyiriria aria mari na mawoni ngurani na aria mari wathani-ini.
That there is massive misuse of public resources and that the response to questioning or honest civic expression is now being met with brutal hostility. The cases of mysterious disappearances, extrajudicial killings, and violent intimidation have become too common.
Athikabu maugite mathina maria andu ethi maratetia no mo magomeire a Kenya na kwoguo mabatie guthikiririo.
By and large, the protests began as a peaceful protest against rising taxation, lack of opportunities, and what they described as a system that increasingly ignores their voices. They were expressing what many Kenyans had already felt and expressed.
Gukiri uguo no mendekithitie honge ingi cia thirikari kwirugamia uria ciathitwo ni gatiba ga bururi kuona kwaga gwika uguo kwaya guthinikania bururi ni mirugamo miruru ya ateti.
Distribution of vast amounts of money and assets were neglecting basic concerns, for example capitation in schools, rebates for dialysis, bursaries and loans for TVETs and universities, etc., is misplaced.
Na riri mirurungano ya mbeu njithi ya kuririkana a Kenya aria moragirwo mwaka muhituku ihaririirio muthenya wa gatatu, athikabu no maugite ti kĩhoto thirikari kwendia guoya na kuhemika na mbeu njithi indi mabatie kuheo matu na makaya mao kumurikwo na kinyi.
The young people deserve listening and support, not suppression. Our young people are not enemies of the state. They are citizens with valid concerns who should be heard and supported in building a better future for all. Many Kenyan citizens are voicing these same concerns.
Handu-ini ha Inoro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Karega wa Buthia.